Okay, thank you. Great. So still now in a 9 parts, everything is correct and everything is clear for everyone. Because this time video are really different and very crystal and clear. Every every topic cover in a very details. Once I complete, then I will move on the next one. Exactly. Hello. Now everything is fine. Okay, thank you so much. I want to know more about major and minor inducement. Yes, major and minor inducement will be covered in upcoming chapter, where I will mention in a anti-types explanation. So these type things will be covered in upcoming chapter. So no need to worry anything. And this time chapter number of chapters will be larger compared to the previous version 2.0. Thank you, Deepankar Singh. Okay, everyone. So rest videos will be uploaded every day. As we know, every day 2 parts, almost 1 or 2 parts every day. If I upload all parts in a day, which is not you can't digest in a day. That's why I'm uploading one by one. So which is very helpful and you can understand very quick. I mean very clearly every topics. So please Bank Nifty entry explain कर देना. Yes, I will make Bank Nifty's entries explanation for Hindi members also. After finish the 3.0. 15-minute structure is a long how to take internal structure. Don't worry, I will make uh, each video on every topic. So no worry how many parts are available in the. So around we can see right now 9 parts already uploaded. So maybe 5, 6 more parts are still left to upload. Maybe one or plus, maybe minus. So request for weekly markup. Yes, from Monday, everything will be continue. I will upload, I will share regular markups in a community Discord members and weekly webinar will be continue as we do. Also, just I'm waiting to finish 3.0 videos. I'm not doing any hurry, like you can understand little bit. So I'm taking some time to give you high quality knowledge, high quality content. So So it's take a time, as we know. Why don't this upload to Discord? This session will be uploaded on this on Zoom. So due to security reason, I will upload on Zoom. So you can watch if you miss with a password. I thought you said everything will be loaded for the no, not a day. As we know, I'm working for you, for all members, to give you high quality knowledge and deep knowledge for everyone. I'm not charging any amount, but some people are selling our high quality contents illegally. Okay, which is not fair. Okay, exactly. Goods quality takes time. Exactly. I'm giving you same content free of cost for the all members who are in a Discord community, but they are reselling our content, okay, which is not fair, but it's okay. Perfect time frame. Perfect time frame. There is no perfect time frame. It's up to you that you are day trader in a forex market, as we have mentioned. Most of the time, you can use 15 minute as a high time frame and 1 minute for entry. But if the higher time frame in a 15 minute lag impulsive move are very larger, then you can use 5 minutes to identifying to trade corrective structure, internal structure. After 3.0 4.0 b, no sir. This is a final, and maybe if anything updates in a strategy, and if I wanna gives you any anything, okay, if I wanna add and a plus minus in a strategy, so I will make videos. Okay, we don't need uh to change entire video system, everything. No, most of the things will be covered in a 3.0. Everything 99% thing will be covered in 3.0. If anything is a miss, okay, so I will upload videos in a future, maybe after 2 months 3 months, if as per your needs, right? Because maximum thing will be covered in 3.0, because I'm focusing on major thing which is actually we need to learn before a trade. The, otherwise there are a lot of strategy, lot of things, okay, to teach you. This is a like a never ends journey, but I'm just focusing you to give a high quality things which is actually you need to understand before entry, before to marking structure, before you trade, right? I join a $5,000 boot camp, but your content is 100x better than him. Yes, a lot of people say this thing. From Monday, I will do start markups in indices, forex, stock, everything. Right? Crypto also. Yes, crypto also will be cover. Okay, everyone. 3 point is a very powerful. Yes. Bike and I don't use bike and those are very complicated. This video sending to a Discord. Yes, I will send you a link on Zoom Cloud. So simply you can tap them and enter password, and then you can able to watch this session again. But you are not able to download this session. Okay, thank you everyone. So first of all, what do you suggest here? That what will be cover today in this webinar? First one, you have option that we can cover the 1 to 9 chapter which I uploaded on Discord. We can cover everything one by one question. And second one, we can uh, like market analysis, which is I think already done in a public channel. So I don't think we need for the market analysis. And another one is a weekend quick back testing. So what do you suggest? Okay, back testing. Okay, perfect. All right. So today we will do back testing, quick back testing on chart. And after that, I will ask you one by one question that what are you looking and what are you thinking, which is more helpful to you. Liquidity sip anti back testing. Yes, everything will be covered when we do back testing. So no worry. So which pair do you wanna suggest? GU, EU, okay, EU, GU, NAS 100, EU, okay, BTC, EU, GU. Okay, so today we will do any like pair like GU or EU, whatever you want. And the next session we will do another pair. Every webinar we will do another pair. Like Bank Nifty already done in a past session, and GU also done, EU also done. Do a poll. Yes, that's a good idea. Create a new poll. What, which pair? Test. Euro USD. Wait a minute. I'm creating a poll. GBP USD. NES 100. XA USD gold. BTC USD. 3.2. Yes, sir. Now everyone can vote here. I just create a poll. Let's see. Okay, so most of the members are agree with the Euro USD. Euro USD, GBP USD, Bank Nifty, NAS 100, XAUD. Okay, so today we are going to Euro USD, and next week GBP USD, and the after that I will do Bank Nifty. Okay, so these sequence will be continue in upcoming weekends webinar. All right. Okay, thank you everyone. So first of all, start from the 15-minute time frame. Okay, do you wanna backtest the past week or the previous? Let's see. First close this one. Okay, all right. Okay, so today we will do some sweep based entry, like when market sweep the previous measure high or low, then how you can trade in a lower time frame and what criteria you should follow before the buy or sell. And the backtesting will be in a 15-minute and 1 minute time frame, 15-minute as a POI and 1 minute for the entry. So let's see. So today we will do anti sweep based entry. Okay, when market taken out the previous measure high or low, and then how you can trade in a lower time frame, plus include counter trend. Yes, counter trend will be include there, so no worry. So first of all, you have to identify, you have to find where is the our previous measure high or low sweep. I think this one looks clear. Yes. And I will ask you question one by one, right? Let me annotate. Okay. So what is this right now? And as you can see here, market momentum is a bullish, right? When market momentum is a bullish and market sweep the previous measure high, right, which is an indication for the reversal, as we know, because market need liquidity which is already grabbed, and then market want to push downside, at least taking out the inducement before to continue go higher, before to continue push downside. Okay, so just below it, if you can see here how many previous high sweep here, this one is our first high and the next high sweep here, right? So now we have a two POI, I mean this one and this one, right? And this one is also. So when market sweep the previous measure high, then what happened in a lower time frame? Okay, so if you want to see at this point, then we will switch here and then at this point. Okay, so first of all, you have to mark here a valid structure. So this one is our higher high and this become our higher low after taking out this inducement, as we know. right? So once market taken out the inducement, then what happened? Market push higher and we can target this high. And when market momentum is a bullish, okay, and taken out the previous high, which act like a short-term sell. But if market sweep the major low in a bullish market, which is a strong indication for the big move. How do you, let me check first. I think audio is a fine. You can raise your volume. Okay, thank you. Okay, so you can see here market momentum is a bullish. Once market taken out the inducement, generally we are looking for buy when market especially sweep the low. So we can also see here what happened here. Start from this inducement. Okay, so everything is fine here because this candle taken out the previous candle low. And in this case, we don't need to wait for to mitigate any order block in a left side. Momentum is a bullish taken out the inducement. Simply, we can buy here on the single candle mitigation based entry. And yes, this is an inducement which is taken out. And we can directly switch here into 1 minute. Okay, but if you don't want to switch into 1 minute directly, you want to buy as per the 15 minute, then you can also buy here like this. Okay, next candle open here, but put the stop loss just below it for the safer side, and you can also put here, but this one is a safer side, right? But I'm going to show you exactly that how you can trade in a 1 minute. Okay, so let's see in a 1 minute time frame. Why don't you have to wait for order block? We can wait for order block, but in this case, there is no or unmitigated order block left. That's why we are buying here. And the next reason is here, market taking out the inducement, just sweep the liquidity. That's why we are looking here for buy. If candle closer here and any order block in a left side is here unmitigated, then you have to wait for to mitigate that order block. Main thing to taking out the inducement, which is important, right? Inducement you mark, there is our one. Let me check first. This one, I think this candle not broken the previous candle high. That's why I marked this one. Now switch into 1 minute time frame. And here we can see here what happening here. So everyone, can you annotate here? Everyone find the where is our CHoCH and when we can buy here in this case. Can we annotate? Yes, you can annotate and not annotate. Let me check first. Now try again. Not showing. I don't know what happened. My side showing enable. I think because of the webinar. Yes, correct, movie. Okay. Yes, in a Zoom meeting, we can annotate, but maybe due to a webinar, that's why not able to annotate here. Okay, but it's okay. So what happened here? Taken out the inducement, and you have to wait for taking out the, I mean, break the previous high as a change of character. So right now, where is our change of character in this case? This one, right? So this one is our change of character, as we know. What happened here after this one? This one is our change of character, break this high, and in this case, you need to remember one thing is here. First one, fin market change of character can be close orbit and can be sweep. In a both scenario, both change of character are valid here, right? Okay. I think you are saying here the this one idiom. Look at this one. Let me show you exactly. Yes, this one as a sweep. I mean, sorry, equal high, right? I thought this one is a not a tick. I mean, not our weight or equal high. I was thinking this was a not available, but in this case, this become our. So let's see. Again, check 15 minute. Yes, perfect. What that do you upload this recording on YouTube? No, sir, on YouTube, but I will give you access. What are you saying here? Let me clean the first one. This one? Yes. It's not the idea of a one. Yes, this even if not equal high, purple candle high taken. Actually, I thought this previous candle high not take break this one. Okay, that's why in this case this become our inducement because this one is our first pullback, right? But these equal high are, I mean, these are equal high or either break the previous candle high. So our inducement will be shift here, right? Okay, thank you. That's a measure IDM. Uh, not a measure IDM actually. Look at this one. This high confirm where market taken out the inducement at this point, right? So in this case, you can see here, you have to identify the previous past structure is here. Valid pullback taken out and previous high. So this one become our new. No, no, no. This one is also not. Then we should start from the mapping the structure from bottom. Then everything will be changed here, right? I'm just focusing here to show you exactly that how you can take trade when market taking out the inducement, right? That's ugly choppy rally. Yes, so you can see here. Okay, no worry, we can switch on next move here. Okay, at this point. What happened here when market sweep the previous high in terms of the bullish structure? When market sweep the previous major high, we can switch into lower time frame for the sell at least till the inducement. So in this case, where is our inducement at this point? And as we know, this is a 50-50% probability. Why? Because momentum is established and market can be pushed downside and then close above it, right? And sometime what happened? Taken out this low and then close above it to confirm this break of structure, right? I'm just showing you that how you can take trade in a lower time frame. This is not about structure or anything, because I'm just showing you exactly that how you can trade in a lower time frame. Okay. So when market taken out the previous major high and you have to switch into lower time frame, and this entire candle act like our POI, as we know in a as per the single candle order block. If market create anything between this candle low and this candle high in a lower time frame, right, you can simply sell as per the CHoCH or flip entry module, right? So you have to switch here first of all to see exactly what happened here and how you can trade here. Okay, so first of all, identify where is our CHoCH in this case. Actually CHoCH is here, but which is a minor CHoCH is here, okay, which is a fine. Right, but you have to wait for here to clear cut confirmation before the sell here. So let's see what happened next here. Okay, will be counted later for 30 minutes. Although the webinar going to start 10 p.m. Singapore time. And what is the topic, Mr. Contact? In the past 30 minutes, we have discussed only some quick question answer. Okay, so no worry. And I will also give you access to watch this webinar. So no worry, everyone. So what happened here? As we can see here, previous major high sweep in a bullish market, we can also simply sell here as per the, as we have learned, if you know, anti-type 3, right? This low is here. And this one is our change of character. And after change of character, we need a proper inducement before the sell, right? So in this case, where is our inducement in this slide? Okay, so only one inducement, one pullback is here, something like this. This is a actually to the upside move. There is no possible entry is here for the sell. This is a single leg and again push higher, but market break this low is here. Taking out the inducement, we can sell here, right? Why is that CHoCH? Because this is our valid pullback. As we know, previous candle low broken here, and this one is our previous high taken out. So this is just first indication for the reversal, right? And this one is also order block type here and broke this low, and this become our flip anti module also here. So these are two confirmation here for the sell. But if market break this low, so those can we look for sell after imbalance? Can we look for sell after imbalance? Directly we can't sell here based on the imbalance. We need a CHoCH or flip also. Okay, so let's see. Okay, perfect. Okay, now this entry become invalid because market not break this low. If market break this low, so we can sell here. CHoCH without inducement. Yes, this is a CHoCH, but not entry is here. We need inducement during entry, right? Please explain flip. Flip means when demand break in a next attempt like this and break this one, right? And they create a supply. Those called demand to supply and sell. And why press want to break this low? Because to confirm this flip, and second is a CHoCH, and then create inducement and then sell. Okay, now again switch here again 15 minutes to see exactly what happening here. I'm sorry. Okay. So in this case, as you can see here, market close of it and the confirm break of structure is here. And after this confirm break of structure, what happened here? Market close in the next attempt above it. So we can, where are we can buy here in this case? Because our range is here. This higher high, higher low, create a new higher high if market taken out the inducement. So where is inducement? This low. Why? Because this one is our valid pullback at this point, and we can definitely buy below it, right? So you have to wait for to taken out this inducement before the buy. Okay. And in this case, there is no unmitigated order block just below it. So in future, if market push downside like this and taken out this inducement, just sweep the liquidity and go higher and create anything here in a lower time frame in a 1 minute, definitely we can buy here. Okay. No, we can't sell here because we don't know exactly. Market can create another inducement. Okay. Like this. So this inducement will be transferred here. Don't try to sell here. This can be a little bit risky. I mean, little bit not risky, completely risky. Okay. So you have to wait for to taken out this one. If this range is a very larger, okay. If this range is a very larger, and for example, here inducement and at this point is a any order block and then market tap here and but failed this one. That case, we can sell here after taking out the inducement till the extreme low, right? So this can be applicable, but in this scenario, this is not applicable because only one PY is here. After taking out the inducement, we should buy here, or we can sell if market not like break this one, okay, and create any short-term structure, sweep this high, we can short-term sell till this low, right? Once close break this low, so this is a now again new story, right? So let's see what happened next here. Okay, price taken out the previous low, and you have to switch here into 1 minute at this point. And sweep this low. And where is our change of character in this case? So first of all, look at this one. I think this candle. Let me find the valid pullback is here. I think this one are equal low. Yes, equal low. So if both candle low are equal, so this can be our change of character at this point, right? And we can buy after broke this high and create inducement, right? So let's see. Okay, perfect. Yes. So this become our valid change of character is here. So in this case, when RP can buy here, anybody can explain here? Yes. Yes, after taking out the extreme fear. Below the inducement. Exactly. Look at this. You have to find the probability when we should take entries here for the buy. After CHoCH, you have to wait for taking out the inducement. Where is inducement? This one. And this is our inducement. And we can buy below it, right? If sweep this inducement, we can buy on the single candle mitigation based entry. And next one, if market create this order block, but we are looking here for actually this candle and refine this one, right? So we can simply buy here, right? And where is our next possible entry? This one is mitigated by this move, and this one is also mitigated. This one is still left here. So next entry below it. Why this is obvious? Because last selling candle before this buy is here, which is mitigated by this one. So I am using the next candle because her proper imbalance is here, the previous candle low, and like this proper imbalance, and that's why I'm using this one. And the next one is here, right, just below it, and this become our engineering liquidity, and the above one after taking out the inducement. Yes, all order flow is a mitigated, but not mitigated order block. Okay, so we can take risk on your order block, not must be taken out the candle liquidity. Yes, must be, but means previous candle low broken by this one. Not it doesn't mean that only sweep. It means a violet pullback sometime, right? Only sharp candle is not allowed for the order block. Let me show you exactly that what I mean. Okay, let me show you. Like this one, uh, this one. Some people mark this as an order block, but this is a not order block because this is a not a valid order. I mean, a pullback, right? So when we can take entry for the buy. So first of all, you have to wait for to mitigate the NEPY, and then we can take reaction. What happening after taking out the inducement? Okay. So how many members are ready to hear buy here? Okay. 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 No, 50-50, me as well as no. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Actually, after taking out the inducement, probability is a 50-50%, as we know, because market need uh, liquidity, which is available on after taking out the inducement and after like tap on the extreme POI. Okay. So actually these two POI actually work before the buy or sell. Or we need to fulfill the requirements. Yes. Okay, perfect. So first of all, in this case, you can do one thing. If you have a multiple POI, you can buy on single candle order block. I mean, single candle mitigation, right? And you can also wait for to tap on extreme POI. Okay. So actually you have a two choices. First one is not a bad choice, but you can also buy here if price create any single candle order block, right? So you can buy here. Can you tell me about single candle mitigation? I already explained all things in an ebook. Okay. Single candle means market create any like bullish, strong bullish candle, and then market again tap. Okay. Can we, oh, 1 second now? Cannot we? What are you saying? Okay. So let's see what happened next here. Okay. Oh, sorry. Very quick. Okay. So how many members are ready to buy here directly? Okay, me, yes, okay. Perfect. You have to buy here because this is our actual candle. Okay. This is a not inside bar. And don't try to buy here on this inside bar. Actual candle is here, which is a protected high or low. So you have to buy here. Okay. And put the stop loss just below it, to below this pullback. Which one is here? And in this case, if your stop loss hit, then nobody. Okay. Because you are following proper system. And where is our target? First one or second one? 15-minute high. Okay, to measure high. Okay, exactly. Because you are buying in a pro trend, so you have to put the stop loss this low and target your 15-minute measure high, and you can take partial and maybe break even at the break on the first pullback is here, right? So simply you can buy here. This is a first entry, and you can also add uh, more entries is here when market create single candle order block is here. Let's see. Okay, what happened? I think my internet is stuck. I don't know exactly. Hello. Hello. Everything is fine here. Actually, a bad connection in my area. Internet is a very bad, but it's okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Okay. So this one is our entry. Why? Because price tap on your unmitigated extreme order block. Which one is here? And why we are not choosing this one? Because this one is inside bar, not broke the previous candle low and not break the previous candle high, right? So actual candle high and low is here. So I mark this one and we can buy here. And where is our next possible entry is here? In this case, this one, right? Because this is our lowest candle before this buy, not the next candle, right? So this candle high and low both are protected, but not broken by this one. So what happened here? Market push higher, but not create any imbalance. Okay, but broke the this candle high, this one. Let me show you exactly. These are very details thing like this. Okay, so broken by the previous candle high, this one. Okay, it means you have to mark a zone here, this one. First of all, draw this one. Okay, so in a future, I mean, market came back this one, you can add more position is here. Why is that a choke? This is a not choke. I'm just marking because this candle is an inside bar. This high and this low protected and broken by this one. Okay, so this one is our single candle order block is here, right? Before bro, not now the chalk. Actually, we are already in a 1 minute time frame, so we don't use a chalk here. Okay, if you should uh, trade based on the single candle mitigation here mostly. Okay, so let's see what happened next here. Perfect. Okay, and market token this high. All right. So if market tap here, then we can buy here. If market broke this high, then our perspective will be changed. Maybe market create another PY in a 1 minute time frame, right? So it's depend on the structure. But let's see what happened next here. All right. So how many people are interested here for buy? First of all, me plus SL. Yes. If you are buying here, right? And then our stop loss just below it, right? And where is our target? Target will be same, the 15-minute high. Okay. I need to know more about this order block. Actually, I explained these all order block in a order block parts. You can watch later. What it's how do you approach the forex market with such a new trade listing right now? As per my time zone, here a London session. This is a running a London session. Okay, so let's see what happened next here. Okay, perfect. Okay, I think this one is a not mitigated. Okay, but it's okay. But your plan is a valid here for the buy because market are taking out the inducement, create a unmitigated extreme POI. Which one is here? If market tap here, then definitely you can buy here, right? If not tap here, which is it's okay, right? Tap to imbalance. Yes, as per the imbalance, already market mitigate here, right? But if you are buying as per the imbalance, then entry will be here. Okay, just below it. And also you can trade based on the like 50% of the imbalance also. But in that case, most of the time your entry will be hit, I mean execute, but your stop loss will be little bit increase. Okay, so I said here actually, and target same previous high. Now let's see what happened next here after this one. And when we can add more position, we can add more position if market break this high, because this move something like this, taking out this all money and go higher. Okay, like this, break this high, then we need a break this one, the larger inducement, and go higher to mitigate this one. Okay, so let's see what happened next here. Will you be recorded this one? Yes, I'm recording this one and you will get shortly. All right, so let's see. Perfect. Oh, I'm sorry. So this high is a broken here. So after broken this high, what happening here? This one is our called break of structure. This is a not a real break of structure. This is an internal structure, right? So when we can buy in this case, where you should buy here. Yes, your trade, put your stop loss on break even point. It's going to hit a market POI. So generally, we can buy here in a two scenario. First one, after taking out the inducement, which is here, right? After taking out the inducement, we can buy here. Sweep this low, this inducement. Okay, and now you have to identify where is our unmitigated order block. This high is already mitigated by this one, and this one is also mitigated here. So everything is mitigated here. There is no unmitigated order block, correct? So simply we can buy here in two scenario. First one, to taken out this inducement, create anything here like a single candle order block, okay? And the next possible entry is here, right? Because this one is unmitigated, just below it. So you have to wait for on both scenario, both places. So let's see what happened next here. Okay. So generally market taken out the inducement and create a single candle order block is here, because this candle taken out this liquidity is here. I'm talking about this one, right? So how many peoples are interested here for buy on first place and second place? First place, not me, is perfect. Both, correct. Second place, single candle mitigation, second, extreme. Okay, me for one. Okay, extreme, extreme. Okay. Actually, you can buy on both places. Why? Because market create here a single candle order block. If market continue drop, then you have to buy here in the next one. If market taken out the liquidity and this liquidity taken out by this candle, right? But the next time, what happened here? Price close above it, which is an indication that market can be go higher, right? And the next one is here, and this one is a confirm by this single candle order block. We are not just buying here directly. If anything unmitigated here, then we can wait for it, right? So simply you can also buy here, but you have to buy here with a small risk. If you are using 0.5% risk, so at this point you have to take a risk 0.2%, 0.25%, right? But sometime what happened? Market tap here, right? And pushed upside and then failed, right? So you can buy here the next possible entry as per the single candle or chalk or anything. What do you think key levels? I don't think, what is this key level? Okay, so let's see. Okay, so how many members are here for the buy? I having a doubts. You can text me here on chat section. I'm not. I am by. I do. Okay. I'm on extreme by me. Bait, absolutely extreme trend line. Yes. Yes, you can buy here with lower risk. Okay, because this is a not high probability entry as I mentioned here, and this one is our high probability entry. But if you are interested here for buy, then you can buy here. Okay, but this is a little bit risky entry. Okay, but if you are not able to trade like this, this type of entry, then you can avoid. But it's okay. Let's see. Oh, perfect. All right. So do you want to interested here for buy, everyone? What is this? SMT, SMT. Perfect. Not our plan. Exactly. We can't buy here without inducement, without like liquidity sweep, right? So this is just SMT. Don't try to buy here. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes. So finally, what happened here? Market reach our target. Which one is here? Okay. So still everything is clear for everyone. If you don't understand anything, you can text here in a chat section. I'm not getting a proper single candle. Boss, everything is a cover in a single candle mitigation in a ebook, right? And less and rest thing will be covered in a videos course, which will be upcoming, as you know. And recently you joined, so that's why it's take a time to understand these things. Read and watch multiple times. Exactly. Because some people, some members watch one time book, or sometime like one or twice videos, and they think they can understand. No, it's take a lot of time. You have to watch very deeply. Every point, everything is very clearly. Why don't you show yourself to become a hidden gem? Yes, everything is explained in an ebook and videos, right? So as we know, 9 parts are published. So entry types explanation is not covered yet. So in upcoming chapter will be everything clear. So no worry. Can you do live trading session in live market? Yes, I will do live trading also, but sometime, not every day, not weekly. Sometime I will do when I will to trade. But January month is not possible, as we know. Once I finish this content and some other work, after complete this, everything will be continue. But I will share markup and rest of things. Please see Oanda chart for second entry. I got it mitigated. Yes, this can be mitigated as we mentioned, but as per the some broker is mitigated and some not. But as per our entry plan, as per our criteria, these are valid entry here for the buy. Can you explain the last buy or not the phone? Actually, this buy based on the single candle order block. Let me show you exactly what happened here. And this one is a actually low probability setup, not a high probability, as we mentioned. Look at this one. This candle is here. Okay. So this candle taken out the previous inducement liquidity. I mean, previous inducement, which is responsible for the market go higher, right? So what happened here at this point? This candle high and low is here, and this act like a single candle order block. Why this confirm here? When market close above it. Okay, if not close above it, just sweep this high. So this is a not a valid buy here. Okay, so this candle close above it, this one, right? Okay, now you can understand. This B candle high close above A candle high, right? So this become our valid for the single candle order block, right? If A candle high sweep, B candle high, so this is not a valid entry. And also taken out this inducement. So this candle taken out the inducement. That's why this is our actual candle for the buy. That's why we are buying here. and there is no unmitigated order block just below it. That's why we are taking risk here for the buy. Okay. Yes, clear. Okay, thank you. Let's say our bigger time frame 15 minutes. So after a burst happen, there is no valid pullback to stabilize IDM instability. There is only SMT. After break of structure, market must be create a valid pullback, right? If there is no valid pullback, then no entry. You have to wait for to confirm. You have to wait for to create structure, to create a pullback before the buy or sell. If it has close orbit, then we can mark it or be right. Exactly. And these are called single candle order block. What about 5 minute time frame? 5 minute time frame you can use in stock market, right? And also we can use some time, right? When something is not clear in a 1 minute or 15 minute, then we can use 5 minute as a medium time frame to scale in or sometime to trade counter trend mostly. 5 minute is a very high, very fast time frame, and you can't use in a as a higher time frame in a forex market especially. Sometimes we don't see inducement on a 1 minute time frame. Can we take an entry based on the 1 minute order block which taken out the liquidity? Yes, you can take liquidity. I mean, you can take a trade which taken out the liquidity, but will be high probability if those pullback taken out the previous candle. I mean, previous pullback measure high, low. I mean, in a lower time frame, which is a cover in a entries explanation in a ebook. High sweep can be counter trend. High sweep can be counter trend. No. No. This is a not high sweep. This is just 1 minute chart. So we can't take decision here for the buy or sell. You have to wait for 15 minutes. So what are the total RR these three? 4.6, 6, and 4. Almost 4 and 4, 8 and 6. Almost 14, 15 R. Okay, so now we are going to start quick question answer session, and after that I will finish, and rest webinar will be continue. Okay, so let's start some question answer. Please ask one by one question, so then I can read. If price close orbit, then we can mark as a OB red. Yes. If mitigate by next candle, we can take entry, or to mitigate by next candle move. If mitigate by next candle, right, then in that case, you have to take entry on the next candle mitigation, like we have done here. Okay. If sweep, right, then you have to switch your order block like this. For example, this candle not close over it, just sweep this high, right, and close below it. So we have to mark a single candle order block is here like this. We need a proper imbalance. Session liquidity explain. Pause. I already explained in an ebook, and wait for to complete in a video course, because session liquidity is a complete chapter, so it's not possible to explain in a 1 minute or 5 minute. So flip without inducement. Why you sell without inducement in a single leg? Think where I did. उर्दू में 2-3 वीडियो बना दे, हाँ इसके बाद में बनाएंगे ये फिनिश होते ही. सर कैन यू एक्सप्लेन द सेशन लिक्विडिटी? I already explained in an ebook. For videos, you have to wait for. What about partial? Partial, you can take when market break the first recent high or low, then you can take a little bit partial, or you can move your stop loss and break even. New course video क्यों remove किया? I did not remove any video course. Which time frame we have to spot the session liquidity? 5 minute. Do you use limit order, decisional POI, just for extreme? I use decisional. Sometime I use limit order, sometime market execution. Most of the time I execute trade and a market price. You will make a video about liquidation. Yes, yes, sir. I will make a video on each topic, which I cover in an ebook. It is too good to trade in a crypto market. Yes, you can trade in a crypto market anywhere, anytime. Please show us a mitigated and unmitigated order block. There is no video and talk about it. Please give us a video. Everything is explained, then I don't know why are you asking same question. Watch every video at least 5x, then more better will be become more clear. Exactly. What do you think about fundamental analysis? Fundamental, honestly, I don't use fundamentals because I don't know how to trade fundamentals. I don't know impact that what happening in a CPI, NFP. There are different things, but I never used, and I'm not interested in a fundamentals. Mainly focus on technically. हेलो सर, इंड्यूसमेंट के बाद वाला एक्सट्रीम वाला ओबी के बाद भी कोई और करता है? नहीं, only 2 PI is a work after inducement on and next one on extreme. How to contact you, sir? Text me on Telegram. Simple. CHoCH need a valid pullback. Yes, valid pullback can be your CHoCH. When will be one-to-one session will be resumed? One-to-one session almost close, as you know, because due to lack of time, so not possible to session one-to-one. That's why I'm hosting a weekly webinar every week. How much one-to-one session? There is no price for one-to-one session, but closed one-to-one session is a closed. So maybe in the future, if I open, then as you know, you will be able to. In a stock 5 minute sweep high, we can take entry. For 5 minute entry, you can use a single candle order drop. When you will give us a diagram was everything is a mention in a ebook, every diagram, everything. Can you see my question, please? Where is your question? I don't mind paying for one-to-one session. Yes, a lot of members are interested to paying one-to-one session, but as you know, due to lack of time, not able to do one-to-one session. But in future, if I open, then I will announce. But right now, there is no plan for one-to-one session. Can you please tell me account of 500 euro? What is the risk amount better for you? You can risk 1% on your personal account, as we have mentioned, and a 0.5% maximum on your funded account. Which two PIU actually work? Please explain. Boss, how many times I explain? After inducement is a PI work, and next on X team. Only two PI. Nothing else after that. Everyone repeating same question. I explain all things and gives all answer. I don't know why are you asking same question, same question. Wait for new videos, okay, and where you will get how to find a high probability entry, right? And yes, and putting all together, everything will be covered. Which broker is best in Forex in India? There are a lot of brokers. It's up to you that which broker you're using. You can use any broker, which is good for deposit and withdrawal. Simple. XNS also good. Don't you have signal group room? No, sir. Can you put all together? Hide in a 15 minute. So this was a 15 minute putting all together. This was a putting all together. Break off structure, taken out inducement, buy. Simple. And again sweep here in a 15 minute. Now you can again sell here. Okay. Because previous measure high sweep here and you can sell till to taken out the inducement. So in this case, where is inducement? This low. You can again sell here, top of the structure. No, sir, I can't. Right now, previous high sweep, and you can again sell here as per the like CHoCH or boss. This one is the order block, right? And what happened here? You have to wait for to break this one and then sell. Simple. What happened? Break this low, chalk, and taken out the inducement. Above it, you can sell. Market not create any entries here, so you can leave it. What indicators do you use? Indicators, I use only this one to mapping to mark the session high or low, and this one no gap candle, only for gap up and gap down. Other one there is no indicator. I don't use any other indicator. Hello sir, can you answer me? अगर extreme OD and decision unmitigated हो तो imbalance होता है तो उनमें से बिना imbalance पे trade. You have to trade only on high probability or POI order block which include proper imbalance, right? And high probability imbalance, I mean high probability order block available on your extreme. And after taking out the inducement is a I mean 50% probability for the buy or sell. Why you don't put your lifestyle on some mindset and some motivation? There are a lot of motivational on Instagram. Then why I should do this? There are a lot of people are doing this work. Instagram to show you his lifestyle, his face, his. There are a lot of things. Second, OB no liquidity taken out. Please explain why it's valid. Malik, this one is a tap on auto block. Please rewatch this session. Okay. So I explain all things that why this is a valid and why this is a valid. All things explain. So you can watch later and I will upload. I will give you access as soon as possible once I have done. Okay. It's not clear. Please explain. This one is an extreme order block, tap here, and this one is our single candle order block, right? So this is basically based on the single candle order block entry, which is the extreme point, and we can buy here because proper imbalance here, and this is our extreme order block, right? Actual selling candle is here before this buy, but this candle is a not imbalance, so I shift on the next candle order block, tap here, and you can buy here. Okay. Can you answer when you give a weekly markups? Weekly markups will be posted from Monday. Everything will be clear. And now it's time to finish this session. And thank you, everyone. Now I'm going to finish this session. And the rest part will be continue every day, 1 or 2 parts. And thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Thank you, everyone.